Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Mar and today I'm going to show you how to change the background color of a picture in Canva in literally seconds. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So what you're going to do is go to the left and you're going to select background. So here you're going to have different options. You're going to have the earth, you're going to have different pictures from like the forest, or you can also use like basic colors if that's what you want to do. But I'm going to show you how to do it with the magic background. This is a new feature for the pro version that I love, and you can literally simply describe what you want as a background. So I'm going to say that I want to use pink colors that I'm for a marketing brand. So that's kind of like the vibe that I want to go with. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate. We're going to wait probably 1 minute and I'm going to show you how cool your new background is going to look. And that's it, you guys. You can pick from the different options that Canva gives you. And once you're done, simply click on share, download. And I always recommend that you download pictures or images in a PNG version. And that's it. Hope this video helped you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if the video helped, and also check out Canva Pro. We're going to go ahead and leave you a link down below. Bye-bye.